Good morning, painting buddies. I can't believe I'm doing this, but in the middle of this coronavirus craziness, I'm gonna try to do a little video so that we can paint a goldfish. So I just wanted to talk to you a minute before we get started. You need to have your supplies ready and on hand. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint in a minute and post the video. You need to get your paint colors out. We're going to use just 5 colors. We're going to use Cad Orange, Cad Red, Windsor Yellow, and French Ultramarine Blue. Now, if you don't have those exact colors, if you have something close, it will be okay. Like if you don't have the Cad Orange, you can just use the Cad Red and the Windsor Yellow. If any kind of blue, you can even use cobalt or indigo, but French ultramarine is the one I used. Okay, so you need to have your pattern on, and the way I put the pattern on for this project, it's little, super small. I just put my pattern up to the window and then put my watercolor paper over top of it and traced it, which we've done in class. If you have graphite paper, you can do it that way also. And you know I put my pattern on really light, so I did it a little bit darker so that you can see it while I video, but I do like to put my pattern on really light. So, and the less pattern you can do, the better, because this is kind of very transparent. So, but then there's a lot of little steps and stuff that we'll do to cover up any pencil lines if that's a problem. So get your brush out. We're going to use anything from a 5, 6, 7, 8, any kind of a watercolor brush that you have. And get your water container with some clean water in it. Get your paints out on a palette or a plastic plate or whatever you have. And get your pattern on your watercolor paper and your paper towel and maybe paper and pencil if you want to take notes, if you have questions. And what I'm going to do is video how to paint the fish, and you can see it on YouTube, and then you can watch it over as many times as you need to. And then if you have any questions, we can talk about it, or you could send me, questions or whatever, and I know that you'll be able to do it perfectly. So make sure you get your supplies ready and get ready. Get some light in a nice place like your kitchen table, and you're gonna do great. So I'm gonna get set up. It'll take me a second to get set up, and then I'll be right back with you and we'll paint a goldfish. All right, I hope everybody's doing well. See you in a minute.